Hi everyone. Right, I know it's been a long time since I did a video. So I'm back. Same as normal. Don't change for anybody. It'll please some, but it won't others. But we don't care. I've missed crafting. I haven't really done any crafting at all. So, right, what I'm going to do at the moment is just to show you how to make this gorgeous shabby chic. Just to turn the camera a little bit. Shabby chic butterfly. It is beautiful. And all I'm using is like this. It's, I think you call it Macrame lace. Just cutting bits and pieces from that. So I've done 4 little wings like that. 2 little bits to go in the middle. We've got a couple of these that go on the project. 2 little diamonds to go on the ends. 4 pearls and 4 roundels. And all you do, take your first pearl, thread that onto the wire, pull that down like that, and you're going to pinch that together. Like that. We're not going to twist it just yet. We may need to. But take first roundel, thread that on, thread your pearl, and do that till you've used all of your pearl and roundels up. There you go, like that. We're going to thread those onto the wire, so keep that on. Hopefully it will go in that pearl, that's it. And we'll keep doing that. Oops, I think one came off. Like that. Actually, I didn't put a roundel on the end of that, but I don't think it'll hurt it. No, I'm not going to. I know why I didn't. So we just push that down, and we've got the body section. And then all you do is you're going to push that down to the bottom, around the back of the bead. Thumb it in there. No, just put your nail in, and then you just trim that section off. Now I'm just going to see if I can find my other pliers. There we are. Wrong ones. Might have known. I've got them downstairs, I think. Just clip that off. You can glue that back in, but you're just making a little thing. Once it's on the fabric, it won't move. So that's what you're making. So we've done one of those. Let me just put this away. I've got several projects that I'm going to do over the next week. Some you've seen, some you haven't. Now, we take a little bit of canvas or a bit of felt, whatever you want to use. I'm just going to use a little bit of this canvas. These are just oddments that I've got, and I use them up for various things. And you're going to cut like kind of like an oval shape. Something like that. Right? Doesn't have to be perfect, as you know. You take your glue and put 2 dots, one there and one there, and you add your first wing. And what's good about these is you do have this little bit on the end that that you can follow. So make a gap between them. Turn it round. Do the other one like so. If you can meet those, that'd be great. And that, like that. Move that down a bit, that's fine. That'll do. In between, you're going to put a little dab of glue and push that one on. Like that. Turn that around, dab of glue. Put that one on, and your butterfly's more or less done. But the reason why we've left a little gap is that your pearl will sit in there. I might need to put a new glue stick in, I think. Bit of glue all the way down, and then you press your beads onto that. See, like that. And then all you've got to do is to make the little antennae. And for that, all I do is I cut a piece of wire, about 4 inches long. Then we're going to fold that in half, like that. So you've got that. I'm going to bend that back halfway, like that. And then you pinch that in. So you've got those little bits like that. And then we just take that and wrap that around. Take that one, just flick it out and wrap it around like that. That's fine. And there's your little antennae. Oops, do that in again. Like that. See? And then what you do is you glue the ends. You're only using small amounts. Take your crystal. Oops, make sure we get it the right way around. Put it on my, oops. They're really fidgety, but they work. Like that. You can pull, once that's dried, pinch that in a little bit more, that'll be fine. Like that. And then we take, oops, I've done that one. Take your butterfly and you glue that onto there. Just leave that for a second or two. I'm going to twist these again, but I need them fitted on properly. Like that. Like that, that's better. You take your little bit of flour. Your little flower, should I say. Just get this out, because I need to change mine. Do it this way, mate. Yeah, it's, like I say, it's been a while, but I am glad to be back. It's because I've been sat a while I was waiting for it to sort things out. Right, sorry, I'm going to have to go. I'll be back in a minute. Right, sorry about that, that was the door. Right, you're just going to put a little bit of glue on there. Now I've got these, I didn't use it on that one, but I've got these to add. Because the best thing about crafting is you can layer. Like that. And then to that, I'm just going to add these little flowers. I could have put a flat pearl on there, but if you're doing a project, Shabby-Chic and that, you need to put bling. Well, you don't need to. If you want to, you can. And there you go. That's how you do them. Very quick, very easy. And, you know, give it a go. You can just cut fabric in shapes and do it. I hope that's helpful. I'll be back in a minute with some more. Bye bye for now.